Good day everyone and welcome. If you're brand new to Venmo or just need a quick refresher on how to send money to a friend, roommate or family member, you're in the right place. Transferring money from your Venmo account to another Venmo user is very fast and completely free. So let's look exactly how to do this step by step. So first guys, just fire up Venmo app on your phone. Then you look at the bottom left corner and tap the large blue button that says request. This will bring up search bar in the top of your screen, and to find your exact person you want to pay, you can type in their name, username, email or phone number. And also pro tip, if you are standing right next to them, you can just tap the QR code icon next to the search bar instead. This opens up your phone's camera, so you can just scan the QR code right of their screen, which completely eliminates any chance of accidentally sending money to a stranger. Then once their profile is loaded, type in the exact amount you want to transfer. Then guys, right below the dollar amount, you must add a note or an emoji explaining what the payment is for, like pizza or rent, otherwise Venmo won't let you proceed. And then look at the very bottom, and then you will see a screen where it displays your payment method. If you have cash sitting in your Venmo balance, it will default to that. If your balance is empty, you can tap that row to choose whether your funds should pull directly from your linked bank account instead. And before you touch anything else, also do a quick double check of the profile picture and username at the top to make sure it's definitely your friend. And if everything looks good, just press transfer or pay now. And that's all there is to it guys. Enjoy. If this was helpful, subscribe.